Hi guys, I hope you're all well. In this video I am going to show you an amazing recipe for making your own chocolate body butter. This body butter contains actual raw natural cocoa powder, really helps to even out your skin tone, super moisturizing, smells delicious. You'll be tempted to eat it, trust me. I'm not going to ramble on too much. Let's get right into the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let's get right into the video. For this recipe, you would need some emulsifying wax, some shea butter, some water and glycerin, which I've already put together in one bowl, some sunflower oil, and some raw natural cocoa powder. I'll have the exact measurements in the description box. So the process for making lotion is you warm the water and the glycerin in the water bath, and then you warm the oil part in the water bath as well. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to add emulsifying wax, sunflower oil, shea butter all into one bowl, and then I'm going to put that into a separate water bath and heat it up to the same temperature as the water. Make sure the oil part is completely melted before you combine the two. So at this point my water is warm, my oils have melted, so I'm going to combine the two. The water should go milky as soon as I pour the oil into it. That's how you know that it's combining properly. Once I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and stick blend it whilst it's still in the water. This helps to prevent separation. Cocoa powder is so good for your skin. It contains lots of vitamin C and magnesium. It really helps to keep your skin healthy, and I've found that it's really helped to even out my skin as well. So once I've combined this, I'm going to take it out of the water bath, allow it to cool a little bit, stick blend it, leave it alone, come back, stick blend it until it's nearly cool and it's safe to add your essential oils and preservative. You need to add a preservative to this because it contains water, otherwise it will go off. If you don't want to add a preservative, you can store it in your fridge for up to a week and you have to throw it out. I made a big batch in this particular video, so I'll give you measurements for a smaller batch because I'm sure people will probably not want to make this much in one go. Sunflower oil helps to really brighten the skin as well, and that's why I chose it. And shea butter really helps to moisturize the skin, and that's why I chose it. So as you can see, my lotion is super thick now, and that's because it's completely cooling. I always want to eat my lotion, like look at it. It looks like ice cream or whipped cream or something. Anyway, I'm gonna add my cocoa powder at this point and I'm going to mix it together. Make sure you slowly stir it in because you don't want it to like go everywhere. So just take your time in mixing it together, but at the same time make sure you mix it properly because you don't want to leave any lumps in there either. So stir it really well until it's all an even, really light brown beigey color. That's when you know that you've combined it properly. Look at that, oh my god, looks delicious. Anyways, I'm adding my preservative at this point. I use liquid germall plus. I will leave my measurements for that in the description box below. I also use vanilla fragrance for this recipe, and I'll leave the measurement for that in the description box below as well. I love the smell of the vanilla fragrance, but I found that it was a bit drying. So next time if I make this recipe, I'll definitely stick to using essential oils, although I haven't found a vanilla essential oil. So I'll probably have to substitute it for something else. But if you don't have super dry skin, you could get away with using a fragrance oil. So at this point my mixture is completely cool. I'm just transferring it into jars. I was able to make 6 jars out of this, so it's going to last me a while. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with someone who might find it helpful, and I shall see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.